Hey guys, what is going on? This is Dusty Dude, and this is my design for a Basalt Road Maker in the Nether. This thing works flawlessly and is literally the most efficient design I have seen online. So I have been researching a bunch of different designs for these, and this one is actually influenced by El Mango's design a lot, but then I kind of made some improvements. Like there was some stuff on his design down here that you didn't really need. And I also added some stuff onto the back here so that you can get this nice little guardrail on the sides right here. This is actually scalable, where he did have a design with guardrails in his, but it wasn't scalable. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this is the most efficient, compact design that there is right now for Basalt Roadmaker. I'm going to go ahead and make that claim. So I'm going to show you how to build this thing, exactly how it works, how to make the tileable version, and how to add on this little thing in the back that makes these guardrails. So Basalt road makers are essentially flying machines with soul soil below it and blue ice above it, and they rely on a new mechanic in 1.16. When flowing lava or a lava source goes in between soul soil and blue ice, it turns into basalt like that. And you can turn flowing lava into basalt as well. So this is a new mechanic that's in 1.16 that's been added that allows for us to make these roads across lava lakes in the Nether. And then this is what it looks like when it's tileable. It's literally just that design put together, but then rotating out slime, honey, and you can make this as large as you want. Ignore this little back area. That's literally just added on for the pistons. So let's get into exactly how you would make this build. Hey guys, I just wanted to make a pause from the video. I hope you're enjoying it. My name is Dusty Dude, and I'm doing something new right now where if you leave a comment on this video and you subscribe, then you enter in to win a chance to get a shout out in an upcoming video. I want to reward the loyal ones of you, and I want to be able to give you guys shout outs, so please leave a comment and subscribe, and thank you. Let's get back into the content. So to make this build, you're going to have to find a little edge of a lava lake like this, put glass down until you see there's like you have room to put blocks down like one below where the lava is. So let's say we want this level to be turned into basalt. Then we're going to go ahead and make sure that our soul sand is put one level below that, and that's where we're going to start putting this thing together. Then you need an observer facing into a sticky piston behind it. Then you need another sticky piston facing into the back of it like that. So that's the bottom layer all done. Now that we have the bottom mechanism that's going to be pushing the soul soil forward underneath the lava, let's go ahead and build the upper part. You need blue ice on that block right there, 2 building blocks. They don't need to be able to put power through them, so I'm going to go ahead and use glass, but they can't be any immovable blocks. We need an observer facing downwards, so this is actually what is going to be triggering this piston right here and pushing this thing forward. Go ahead and put 2 slime blocks like that. And then you need an observer facing backwards into a slime block like that. And then you need an observer facing backwards into this sticky piston right here, and then another slime block. Now to start this thing, all we need to do is send a pulse into the observer. And as you can see, even though this row is flowing lava, because I literally made one in this exact same place before, you can see that it's still turning into basalt. So yeah, that's how you make one little tileable section of this. And here's the honey version of it, and I want to show you that it works with the honey version. So yeah, it just goes across like that. And let me explain to you exactly what is going on here. So when you put the pulse into the observer, it's going to push, it's going to trigger this piston, which is then going to push these portions forward, right? And then when these portions move forward, then it's going to trigger this observer, which is going to trigger the piston, which is then going to pull the rest of the module forward. When the rest of the module gets pulled forward, it's going to move this forward, which is going to send a pulse into this piston right here. It's really weird. Observers only send pistons or only send redstone signals like through air when it's straight down. If it's going like up or even to the side, it won't do that. So that's kind of unique about the observer. And then when this piston gets triggered, it's going to push this whole module forward. This observer gets an update. It's going to send a pulse to this sticky piston, which is going to pull this back sticky piston forward, and then it keeps this thing moving forward. So that works perfectly. So here is the whole thing when you put it all together and you rotate the honey and the slime. I used iron instead of glass in this one, but it's literally all the same. And then I just added on this little section right here to make sure that we can push down the road in the back, as you can see over there. And to do that, all you need to do is bring out these 3, just wherever you want to push down the basalt, you need to bring it out. You need observers that are facing backwards. If I don't fall in the lava, you need observers that are going to face backwards into the pistons. And then you can go ahead and put the pistons down below like this. Now that's all you need to do. So I'll just show you a quick example of how to get this going. And to get this one going, it's pretty tricky. You need to power all 4 or 5 of these pistons all at once. So I'm just going to put redstone current through a block real quick. So as you can see, it goes forward and it moves those. Those line up, and it also pushes back down the where the basalt would be. So yeah, I think this is the most efficient version of this that I have seen so far. So I'm really proud that I've made this. If you see other people making this or you want to make this for yourself, definitely try and give me credit if you can. I would love that. I'm really trying to grow my channel, and getting credit for these kinds of builds is really going to help me out. But yeah, let me know if this is not the most efficient way too, or if I'm just tooting my own horn here. But yeah, no, I'm pretty proud of this build. I think this is going to work great. I hope to see a lot of you build this in your own world. And yeah, if you found value in this video, if you learned something new, definitely leave a like. That helps me out a lot. And if you want to see more cool automation in Minecraft like this, definitely subscribe. My channel is all about Minecraft automation. So yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.